Hey everybody, something brand new from Mophie here on the Gaming Gadget Grader, Snap Plus Powerstation stand. So this is a pretty interesting little piece of technology. So this seems like it's very similar to this Snap Plus wireless charger that I have. Seems like it probably is a little bit bigger. The big addition here, two things, and one they really don't talk about too much, but I'll show you a nice benefit to having it. This has a stand. So we'll go over that in a second. But it also has a threaded bottom for tripods, and I'll kind of show why that's important here. So I'm a videographer. I do a lot of things with my phone and video, and having an ability to, if you don't have a way to mount your phone to a tripod, well, now you do if you trust the magnet, but also this will allow you to do time lapses and other things where you have to run video for a long time. So this is a nice little kind of multi-purpose thing here coming from Mophie. So the Mophie Snap Plus Powerstation stand. All right, let's get into it. Let's open this box and see what we're looking at. Again, I'm not always the prettiest box opener, but we make it work. This one I might be a little bit nicer. So there it is. Nice little message from Mophie that they love you. Let's see what's up here. So this is USB-C to USB-C. So obviously how we're charging this guy. So here it is. As included in pretty much everything from Mophie. Here's one of those snap adapters and the means to get it onto your device. We're not needing to do that here because we have an iPhone 12. But that will allow you to connect devices that don't have MagSafe already built in. So here we are, USB-C to USB-C as always, and here is the Snap Plus Powerstation stand. So let's get right to the stand part. It is the same nice material that's on a lot of their pieces. It's that kind of it's like really tough, canvasy looking, really nice look, also a nice feel there from Mophie, and that's the same thing here on the back. You'll see here's the area where it bends, and this thing bends quite a far back, so you've got a nice bit of angling you can do with this. You know what this actually also can do? It can allow you to get some creative video out of your phone, so some time lapses maybe. It doesn't really allow you to do it horizontally, which I'm not a huge fan of, but so you really can't do much there. So really it's just up and down. So say you want to do a time lapse or something, you know, of clouds or something, I don't know, there's something happening. Now you can do that with this stand. It allows you to sit your phone up. So let me turn it on so you kind of see. Let me flip it back at myself. So there's me in my shot. So it just kind of gives you an idea of the angle that you can see. Hello, self. Tilt it up, sits up pretty straight. So that's nice. Now it is not charged, I don't believe. I don't see an on button on this thing either. There we are. So there is an on button there. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that on there. You'll see it is charging now. So already comes with a charge, which is nice. So you see the lights there, the indicators for how much battery we got. That's nice, as we're used to seeing. So this is 10,000 milliamp hours, which is double this guy right here. So this is only 5,000, which is nice. So this says it will charge your phone 1.9 times. So that, I guess, means that your phone fully charged plus nearly 2 more that's a really good charge there. Now let's talk about this. So it's a 20 watt USB-C port there to input and output. And as always, it's wireless charging, magnetic, and will charge through cases. But here's the thing I wanted to show you is that this will allow you to, I got one of these threaded tripods here. Let me change the focus on my camera. So there's the threading there, right here on the device. and then that will go in right here. And now we have, it's kind of like a tripod mount here on this thing. So let me try to, it's one of those bendable tripods. So now you've got the ability to, if you feel comfortable with this, now you've got the ability to film, and that will allow you to do horizontally too. So now you've got the ability to film kind of like on a tripod, and this will give you longer. So let's say you're shooting a sporting event or you're shooting a time lapse or something like that. Well, now you have a charger that is a holder for your phone on a tripod. So I think this is a bigger deal than some people will truly realize. And for people like myself who, you know, will do creative things on vacations or do creative things, you know, sporting events are coming up with my kids. You know, this is a pretty nice little piece of equipment here to give you, you know, basically 2 more charges on your phone, plus the ability to hold, again, if you're comfortable with this MagSafe connection, hold your phone in place while charging it. So this is really, really nice for the families that have sports, or, you know, they want to film something long, and it's just a nice little tool to have in the toolbox to allow you to get a little multi-use out of this case. So, or rather this charger. So again, it's screws into tripods, has a little kickstand, has basically 2 more full charges of your phone in it, 10,000 milliamp hours. And this is quite a powerful little punch here from Mophie, a game changer, the Snap Plus Powerstation stand from them. Thanks for watching.